In this video, I will show you how to fix dev error 5820 in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. If you are a console player, restart your console, free up storage space by deleting unnecessary files or games, restart your console again and launch the game to see if the issue is fixed. If you are playing on PC, since dev error 5820 is often a server-side issue, check if the Call of Duty servers are down. Open your browser and visit the official COD status page. Select Black Ops 6 from the drop-down. If the server is down, you will need to wait for activation to fix it. If all platforms show online, proceed to the next fixes. Simply restart your computer and launch the game again to see if the error is gone. If it's not, then locate Black Ops 6 on your PC. Here, I am using this as an example. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Then launch the game again and see if it works. If it also doesn't help, then open Steam. Click on Steam top left corner. Go to Settings, then Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache and wait for it to finish. Find Black Ops 6, right-click and select Properties. Here I'm using Counter-Strike as an example. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once done, launch the game and check if the error is fixed. If it also doesn't help, then open Black Ops 6 and go to Graphics Settings. Click on Quality, scroll to Details and Textures. Find On-Demand Textures Streaming and set it to minimal or off. Restart the game and check if the issue is resolved. If it also doesn't help, then open search bar and type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. Once done, close Command Prompt and restart your PC. Launch the game and check if the error is fixed. If it also doesn't help, then right-click on the network icon on your taskbar. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Select Change Adapter Options. Double-click on your active network. Click Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties again. Select Use the following DNS server address and enter preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8, alternative DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK, close everything, restart your PC. So that's how you fix dev error 5820 in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.